कैसे हो सकते हैं हम लोग, और कैसे सोसाइटी के बच्चे लेसन ले सकते हैं। तो इस बात पे हम स्वामी जी से निवेदन करेंगे। आई एम जस्ट रिक्वेस्टिंग स्वामी नटेशानंद जी से say something about his own evolution, what he had created and what was his mind thinking about all these things, how we
Yes.
can say that we are good in our personality. So just sir,
Yes.
please.
Yeah. So first of all, I wanted to convey my heartful congratulations and thank you for creating this wonderful opportunity. You are doing an amazing job to creating the talents and development for the society, and providing this through online platform to evolve the society. Okay, so I wanted to say that thank you to you. Thank you. I wanted you to continue this service to the humanity. And as you say, this is a great day for the whole Prabanja, the humanity, because Lord Rama's temple today is being inaugurated. It's a historical day. So we are going to spend some time on stress-free, how to be stress-free, and how to evolve our human society in this pandemic and COVID time. So, first of all, I wanted to tell you that human beings are gone, means our olden, means cultural, traditional value misrepresented, and now all the people are, all the youths and everybody is gone behind the Western culture. So they are not able to understand and the depth of this traditional value, which is spiritual. Okay, so that is how this today's the human beings, this lifestyle is becoming so much of stress and depression and whatnot, so many diseases. So if you see earlier ancient times, our youngsters and all very much of joy, happy and helpful, healthy. But nowadays our lifestyle become external, motivated to external life, like money, position, and all the external materialistic world. They are not giving the importance our body and mind and our consciousness. They are not giving the time for to in search of themselves. They are not spending the time for they are finding out the purpose of the life. What is life? What is death? What is body? What is mind? All that. They run behind all these social, like entertainment, like cinema, movies, serials, and all this nonsense. Okay, so that is why nowadays all the human beings suffering with the stress, depression, so many diseases. So in this platform, what I wanted to say is to increase the stress, to reduce the stress and increase our confidence and mindset, positive mindset. Everybody should spend some time for themselves, like half an hour, 1 hour in the morning, to do yoga for the body, to do meditation for the mind, and do some worship, prayers, going to the temple. That will definitely reduce 50% to 90% of the stress in our day-to-day life. We forgot to spend the time for our body and mind. That is why we are running around the money, some physical desires, and so on. So that is why the stress rate is increasing, and depression rate is increasing, and suicidal rate is increasing so much on these days. And this, especially in this COVID-19 situation, maintaining our health and our body and mind is one of the primordial objective of our lifetime. So I wanted to tell you the one thing, give the importance to our body and mind. Spend some time, at least every day, half an hour to 1 hour. Spend some time to know about our body, what is mind, what is consciousness, what is God, all that, so that we can reduce the stress and evolve our lifestyle. Yes, Ji, you wanted to ask about.
Just to make this session very interesting.